My name is BryAnna Ingram, and today I will be talking about Chinese calligraphy and health and what I think of Chinese calligraphy. So as I said before, my name is BryAnna. This is a picture of me. I am currently a senior at Western Kentucky University. I plan on graduating in the spring and hopefully going to get my master's next fall. So here's a picture of a very peaceful boat on very calm water. And this picture describes perfectly about how I feel about Chinese calligraphy. So sometimes we have bad days and we'll go get ice cream and we'll watch movies or we'll eat junk food. And next time you feel down, I suggest that you try Chinese calligraphy. I mean, who wouldn't want to feel just like this picture? While practicing calligraphy, it will help keep your mind, body, and soul at ease, and it will help you relax, almost like entering into another world where everything is calm and at peace. Again, just like this photo. Here is another photo, very similar to the last, about another way how I feel when I am practicing Chinese calligraphy. So the water is very clear and peaceful. It doesn't even look like there's anything in the water right here. It's just very calm and it's almost like you're in your own world. So here's a picture of, ways that maybe sometimes we feel stress, panic, frustration, anxiety, and it's hard to cope with these things. And Chinese calligraphy is an amazing way to help you cope with that. And I chose this picture because to me this picture is very sad and depressing, and another reason why Chinese calligraphy is great, because if you feel this way, this really will help you. So calligraphy can physically change your mood and keep it more stabilized. Some benefits of brush writing would be regulating your blood and energy circulation. It benefits your body and it loosens your joints. Calligraphers often have a very long lifespan without suffering from illness, overall making Chinese calligraphy a good, healthy lifestyle, and another good reason why you should study calligraphy. And I will be sharing with you some of my Chinese calligraphy work that I've done throughout this semester. So here we have regular script. This is very more on like the simpler side of Chinese calligraphy script. Here we have seal script. I love seal script. It's so calming to write and peaceful. It seems very flowy. I love the curves and all the brush writing, and it's just very calming. And here we have clerical script. So clerical script is a little bit more on the complex side. I would say honestly it's in the middle, a little bit of both, easy and can be a little bit more challenging. And my favorite one is cursive script. So when I'm writing cursive script, it's almost like it's taken me to another world. It makes me feel so peaceful and I love it. And this is an example of one of the pieces that I did. Here is another. I think that this one is probably my favorite one that I've ever done so far. It was, it looks very complex and hard, but it really, if you take your time and you are at peace with yourself and you don't get frustrated, or you don't let yourself get frustrated while doing this, it's fun. It's a hobby that I really enjoy doing. Here is another cursive script. one that I did. This one's really fun. It was really fun to do. And then here is the last cursive script one that I did. So on the left, we have the date here, the first 3 characters, and then the bottom 2 are my name, my Chinese name. So thank you for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed it.